one of the money printing machines you should import from China and start making huge money is the toilet paper machine. One main reason why I love this machine is because the raw materials is waste product. So you are getting free waste products at the same time keeping the environment clean and then manufacturing toilet papers whilst making money. Ask yourself, can you live a week without going to the toilet? If you can do so, toilet paper is a product that is needed every day. And all you need is this machines behind me. With these machines, you can manufacture your own brand, your own logo, and everything by manufacturing toilet paper machine. So, if you want to manufacture toilet paper machines, the first most important thing is the raw material. As a beginner, you don't have to process waste product into the tissue paper. The first raw material you need is the jumbo rolls. Say jumbo rolls. This is jumbo rolls. This is jumbo rolls. Jumbo rolls are like loaf of bread which have not been sliced. So all you have to do is to buy this jumbo roll. Then this machine, this one is called rewinder. Rewinder. So you put the jumbo roll here. Then the rewinder, you see how the tissue is here? It will rewind the tissue, the jumbo roll in the big tissue into small tubes. It will rewind the big jumbo roll into small tubes. Then after that, you get a machine to cut. So this is for cutting. And this will do the cutting. Then the next is packaging. So you can see this. You can see here. You can see this. It will cut that. Then for packaging. This is the money printing machine you need to have and start making huge money. With this machine, you can produce about 10,000 tons with the automatic machine in a day. This is how fast it is. So, if you need this kind of machine, just contact us. We are your #1 registered trading company from China. If you want to import anything from China, then you need to contact DAKS Import and Export Trading. We are your #1 registered trading company where you can import everything from China without getting scammed. Even if you cannot speak Chinese language, let me tell you, it's because of you that I came to China to study Chinese language so that business will be very smooth and easy for you. The days of getting a visa, traveling to China is over. All you need is an internet, this platform, contact DAKS Import and Export, and we will help you import any machine from China. Yes, I'm so particular about machines because machines will generate so much income for you when you invest in that. So if you see behind here, you can see several of the machines which have been packaged already. These have been packaged already. This is for cutting. This is for cutting the tissue paper. All these are ready to be shipped to customers overseas. We arrange delivery from China to any part of the world. And one thing I love about this machine is the energy consumption is very low. It's not that high. So with this machine, you save energy. Second, the human labor or labor force is less. With a semi-automatic machine, you need only 2 people to operate. With the automatic machine, you need 1 person to operate this machine. So this is the kind of business or manufacturing you can start and start making huge money. So as you can see, we are in the largest manufacturing factory for making toilet paper. So if you want to import toilet paper from China, this is the factory you need to import from. So these are several kinds of the machines. We have the automatic type, this type. We have semi-automatic. If you want to make anything about tissue or paper, this is the factory you need to import your machines from. So in the toilet paper, sometimes you see some tubes inside. This is what they use to manufacture that.